I was talking to a good friend and entrepreneur this morning, and he was telling me about his work schedule. And he says he just works and works and works all the time, and he doesn't feel like he's ever getting anywhere close to the finish line. I could totally relate to this, so we're gonna talk about it a little bit today. Piney, roll them bumps. So I got off my live broadcast this morning, and this intense wave of fear and anxiety and self-doubt just took me over. And all of a sudden my mind turned to, I'm not good enough, and I don't know if I can do this, and I'm never gonna learn what I need to know, and every what if that you could possibly think of was running through my mind at that one moment. And I actually thought, I can't do this. On YouTube and in life, they talk about this a lot. It's called burnout. So I came home and I sent nonsensical messages to a couple of close friends. And of course, he didn't really understand what I was trying to say anyways. And I don't blame him, because it wasn't even coherent. I was at that moment just having an almost like a panic attack of self-doubt. And it was so strange and so unusual. And just like that, I just resolved that this is what I'm doing, and I picked up a camera and went out to film. Let's face it, as a daily blogger, this can hit you particularly hard, because when today's vlog is done, guess what? It's on to the next one. It never ends. It's a rotating cycle. When you get these feelings of being completely overwhelmed, this is where the vlogger or the entrepreneur can feel self-doubt and fear, and of course start to experience their own self-sabotage. Here's what I do. I double down. I try to be as creative as possible. I just hit it hard. I think about that vision in my head of where I want to be. Because is there anything else that really matters? All the self-doubt and all the self-sabotage can't get through that picture in my mind of where I want to be. And I just work harder, because nothing cures all these negative thoughts that are going through your head better than just working harder. The more you spend time thinking about all the things that might go wrong and could go wrong and should go wrong and did go wrong, the more negativity is going to enter your picture, cause self-doubt, and eventually you're going to sabotage your own success. In my case, I just go out there and I film something. I try to see something beautiful in nature. I work out some energy by riding my skateboard, but I double down and I work harder. Here's the thing about these overwhelming feelings. If you focus on that picture in your head of where you want to be, these feelings will pass really fast. You ever do this when you're walking somewhere on one of those bright sunny days and you try to go and plan out your route so that you know you're going to be in the shade as much as possible? Trust me. I do this all the time. It never works. It's still hot and sweaty and not shady. You got this, guys. I know you got this. So go out there, find your adventure, and I'll see you guys in an hour for the live show. Have a great day.